Guys, welcome back to another fun fact. And if you can't tell, I am a bit tired, so stick with me. Today's fun fact is short and simple. So basically, traditional origami, yes, I know, it's only basically like one thing, but traditional origami rules out the use of scissors, which basically means you can only make models with like by folding. It it also rules out the use of glue and the use of multiple sheets of paper, which means that some modular origami models aren't called traditional origami, I believe. And the use of glue, obviously, it's only using your hands to fold. Like the thing I'm going to teach you today, which is very simple but fun. So let's get started. So the model we're gonna learn today is basically well, as I said, it's simple and it's fun. So let me quickly show you. Now, this may just look like an ordinary triangle, but it's actually the Google Drive symbol. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys some symbols. Like, I think I'm going to do like Twitter or Facebook next week. I don't know. So anyway, let's get started. You only need one square sheet of paper. This model is pretty easy. So I wanted to start with something easier because I haven't been uploading for a week. And yeah, so fold in half. The first step is to fold in half like this, unfold, rotate, and repeat. On this side, crease, make sure to line it up, crease sharply. I also haven't been folding for a little bit, so I'm gonna definitely get back into that habit. Unfold, fold this edge up like that, unfold, rotate, and fold the edge to the middle crease. This model is by Jeremy Schaefer. Again, go check him out. And then yeah, just go check him out. He's a really cool YouTuber. Now fold this both edges to the middle like that. And once again, you're gonna do the same thing. Try to hold the layers together because sometimes they can like slide and kind of mess up how accurate the model is. All right. So that. Now rotate, and what you're going to do is fold the edge up so that the point so that it like this edge is pointed and this point lands on the middle like that. Crease sharply, unfold, and make sure to unfold the little layer and do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna rotate it so it's easier for me to quickly do the fold. Fold it up like that and crease sharply. And now what you're going to do is the same thing on this side. So fold it up. Make sure the layers again stay together. And once again, fold it up and unfold. Now you're going to fold in half. By the way, again, the layers might get a little thick, but try to fold it as precisely as possible and look on one of the edges, spread it right down the middle. Make sure it's the middle, by the way, and not one of the other flaps. And you're gonna notice that these two folds are already basically made. What we're just gonna do is a simple reverse fold like that. Just push it in and do the same thing here. Push it in like that. And now you have something that looks like, oh, I don't know, like you have some pointy things. And yeah, so the next step is just to this is basically one of the last steps. It's pretty easy. Fold this edge up at about a 60-degree angle. You can just eyeball it and do the same thing on this side, except this time it goes backwards like that. And so the weird part is that you're gonna have to line all of them up before you flatten it. So make sure they all line up. Make sure the reverse folds are accurate. Make sure they line up just like that. Line it all. Once you line it all up, you're just gonna squash fold down like that. Now by itself, this is already a Google Drive symbol. However, we're gonna have to like improve it and lock it together. So basically what you do is flip down this first edge like that. So you see this and do the same thing here. So let me quickly make it accurate. Okay, So let's label these flaps as the front flaps and these as the back. The first thing you do is put the one of them in the back like that. And now the second one, you see, this one is on my right. Now we're gonna put the one on my left, like, and it's sticking into the one on my left. Now we're gonna do the exact opposite. We're gonna stick the one on my left into the right. So that step is tricky, um, but it really locks it together well. So just push it in like that. Actually, by the way, if you think that's too tricky, you don't have to do that. You can just like simply stick it in normally and flatten it like that. So now there's your completed Google Drive symbol. I know this one's small, but this one's a bit like, yeah, these are small, but you can actually throw them. Oops, I threw it over my camera, but you can actually throw them, as you can see here. So yeah, it's a really cool model. I just wanted to show you guys because yeah, Google Drive. So you can play with these, you can throw them, you can kind of just like Google whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.